Assalamualaikum and good day to my beloved lecturer. My name is Siti Khatijah binti Badrul. My internship takes place at Alpha Seco Plastic at Meru Klang. Alpha Seco Plastic is an injection molding company that uses advanced plastic material and produce plastic products in automotive, home appliances, medical appliances, and construction appliances. I have been trained under three departments, which are production department, planning department, and engineering department. In production department, there are a lot of knowledge I gained that related to plastic injection molding and production operation. Under production department, the tasks I have been assigned to are summary stock status for Van AC line, new layout for Van AC line, visualization, rising issue, 7 muda or 7 ways, formula related to the production line which is ceiling fan assembly for key product and material study. The first task I have been assigned is summary stock status for Van AC line. I need to organize a new format of Van AC stock status since the certain finished goods are used the same part number. Therefore, a new format for summary stock count of subcons part need to be done. This is the new layout I have created for Van AC line because the line is moved to a new place. The important details of the layout that need to focus is the process flow. The process flow in every station must be in one workflow to maintain the optimum cycle time and to prevent any mistake during operation. Therefore, the target output can be achieved. As you can see, I have created a lot of label at the production line in order to facilitate smooth functioning of overall production operation and enhance operational efficiency. Besides, to develop guideline for the sequencing of manufacturing activities on the shop floor. Next, this is a part of rising issue that have been occur, which are variance diameter of support AC hood as it did not match into the jig properly. Mold crack because of the weakness in monitoring of the machine and color issue of GCLA because of addition of master batch. 7 muda is a key concept in the Toyota production system. Under the lean manufacturing system, 7 ways are identified as overproduction, inventory, motion, defects, overprocessing, waiting, and transport. As you can see, there are several formulas that related to production. The first formula is target per hour, is the amount of part that can get every 1 hour based on cycle time. The second formula is refer to total pieces of part that can get after part weight is divided by the shop weight. Third formula is identify the percentage of manufacturing time that is truly productive. If operational effectiveness score of 100% means you are the manufacturing only good parts as fast as possible with no stop time, which is quite impossible. The daily takt time is the amount of time a production has per unit to produce finished goods to fulfill customer demand. This is the ceiling fan assembly at Kim production site. I have been experienced to support the line in every station. The first process is testing the motor voltage in the sound testing room, followed by put the series and QC sticker on motor pipe. The motor pipe with foam will be put on the conveyor and the canopy will be put onto the motor. Serial sticker will be stick at the motor pipe, then warranty paper followed by tape and regulator will passing through weather until the final process which is baking. Next, this figure shows the valve testing process. The precaution needs to be taken after injection because a valve needs to be cooled down in 10 minutes before proceed to trimming process. Otherwise, the valve part might deform due to hot temperature after injection. This is an example of plastic part that use polypropylene and Nori material. The properties of polypropylene cotton material for degree is suitable for outdoor use with respect to exposure to ultraviolet, water exposure, and immersion. While for internal barrier, the flexible Nori material mixed with recyclable thermoplastic blends of PPE and thermoplastic elastomer. The material can be recycled for one-time use only. Flexible non-resin has low specific gravity with a very good non-halogenated flame retardant performance and offers low specific gravity. Next, I will proceed to my second department, which is planning department. In planning department, I am more exposed on utilize my soft skill in learning a new system which comprise on job guide, summary planning production report, change more information and account system for sales order and delivery order. As for your information, the use of job card is to specify planning and scheduling information and manage work order. The details in job card will take from the master part list such as part weight, short weight, gross weight, material grade, machine tonnage and so on. The summary planning production report must be renewed every month. So this is an example that I can show you, which is December summary planning for Pen AC assembly line and also for NIFCO assembly line. Additionally, I learned how to key in the information of change mode information for Panasonic for November and December. Objective of CMI is to check the material stock quantity before running the required amount of part for incoming week other than pass information to production in mold change. The detail of parts quantity must get from EDO or e-delivery order system of Panasonic. In addition, I also exposed to account system to update the sales order, purchase order, and delivery order. Next, I will proceed to my last department of my internship. The knowledge that I have been learned from this department are formula of material consumption and mixing material, the SOP of assembly and disassembly, RPM motor testing, pro-temp module consists of small plate and large plate, and type of defects. As you can see, the formula of material consumption and mixing material. Material consumption is to calculate the amount of material used. Meanwhile, mixing material control is blending of various materials is done in a specific proportion in order to produce a final compound. As you can see, this is the assembly for the mixer and blender for SOP assembly report. In addition, I have been done the motor blender testing. The figure above show the list of material used during RPM testing. This is the Atlantis product from Australia that called ProTem module that used in construction appliances. ProTem module testing has been done to identify the type of defects found, such as wear line, burn mark, air bubble, or short mount. These are the type of defect found on ProTem module. This defect can affect the mechanical and physical properties of the product, hence quality of product is reduced. Last but not least, thank you for the opportunity to present my internship journey at Alpha Seco Plastic. Thank you and have a good day. Assalamualaikum.